what's better than one GTR? Two GTRs. And let's check them out.
I hate when you elevate. You're stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight.
So here we've got pretty much 2 stock GTRs, and you get to pick your favorite one. Now mine right here has these sexy SSR Professor SP1s in 18.9.5, 18.10.5, and she's sitting on Shockworks coilovers. My wheels are the sought after T37 SL in the square set 18 by 10.5 and sitting on the Tien Super Streets. And look at that paint. It's my favorite in that metallic silver. Don't care, nobody wants silver. I've got that gunmetal that everybody wants. And have you seen that interior? Goddamn boy. Interior, I got that 1994 mint dash and ain't no rips here, son. So which one are you gonna pick? The grey or silver? So get your entries in, head to keepereet.com.